unboxing this random mystery box that I think one of my friends gave me. And here you go. I don't know what it is. Okay, so what do you think this is? It sounds like clothing, but then I don't know if it is. Let's open it and find out. I'm so excited to see this. And it's Let's open it and find out. I'm so excited to see this. And it's something. This is a bowl. It's a slime. It's a axolotl slime. This is so cool. It's a crazy slime. Crazy slimy brand axolotl love glitter slime. And I can definitely see that. There's like an axolotl charm, some sprinkles, and then there's glitter. And then it looks like there's like a sparkly pink clear slime. Does it say it's scented? I don't know. It is. It is scented. Why don't you come open it with me?
Okay.
And it also has a sticker on it. Whoa. This is also wrapped in plastic, I see. So how do I even open this? Okay, this is going to be really hard to open. So let's try and open this. Oof. This really hurts. Bruh. I want this open. Just. Okay. Attempt number 2. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna need scissors. Okay, and then, oop, I got it. And this tinfoil. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off of the thing. This is super hard to take off. I'm still gonna take it off though. Oof. Wow. It feels super weird. So cool. Now, let's take this foil off. Wow. It smells like you know those slushies that you get at the movie theater? That's what it smells like. It feels super good. It's super stretchy and glossy and sparkly. And then it's super glittery. This is Larry ASMR. And it smells super good. Now, let's add the sparkles and charms to it. Let's just grab this, and then we can open it. And then there is the stuff. Do you want to open the bags first or the charm first? I think we should open the bags first. I'm gonna put this in first. Okay. Wow. Whoa. This is super cool. Whoa. Then next we're gonna open these sparkles. Whoa. Okay. And then whoop. Wow. Super magical. And then, let's mix it up before I put the charm in. This glorious charm. This glorious charm that goes with this. Let's first mix it up. And it feels super weird. It feels so weird. And it feels like glossy. And it looks super mystical. Doesn't this look super cool? Tell me what you think. It looks super cool, doesn't it? Man, it's getting stuck on me. Then, now, let's add the charm. Whoa. The beautiful charm. Super pretty and magical. How do you think this looks? And of course, my favorite animal is a axolotl. And it's super cool and scented. It smells super good. And this guy is super duper cute. Okay? Thank you, viewer, for sending this in. I really had a good job, like a very wonderful time unboxing this. And it was super fun and amazing. Whoa. Thank you. Bye.